me and this boy, we were kissing each other, and all of a sudden I hear,
Oh shit.
What was a bad word that you learned, new words that you learned in the show?
the words are like so bad.
मेरा पहला प्यार यही है.
और यही रहेगा. Oh, sweet.
Yes.
What kind of word is this?
Of course,
What a
that's
blah-
obvious.
What a blah answer. No, I was like,
Oh,
and I hear
God.
talk, 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 talk. And I looked and I was like, that's my dad. And then the entire car ride home, silent.
I've posted something. Why haven't you,
Exactly.
you know,
Yeah,
come and
posted.
commented this? Or why are you not doing what she's doing? अरे वो सब नकली है. She's brought in so much calm in my life. She's brought in so much of you know, fun in a way. Simple things are much better.
क्या आप हिंदी बोलते हो? हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोलती हूँ.
जब बात हो प्यार के डिसीजंस और पैसे के टेम्पटेशंस की, तो बेटर गाइड कौन हो सकता है देन द अल्टीमेट डुओ सनी लियोनी एंड करण कुंद्रा. वेलकम टू इंस्टेंट बॉलीवुड. So nice to see you looking wonderful, you both. And congratulations for MTV Splitsvilla 16, प्यार या पैसा. बहुत ही यूनिक थीम है. And congratulations, you completed 10 years in Splitsvilla. Such a huge thing it is. But genuinely asking, प्यार में profit है या पैसे में profit है? In your POV.
I think if you have pyar, you're always gonna have profit.
Oh, okay, yeah, better that.
Correct.
You also?
Correct.
You correct. Okay, but I want to know कि what's so challenging, क्योंकि इतने सारे seasons निकल गए. I want to ask you कि आपको इस season में what was the most challenging thing you faced in this season and you thought कि जितना सोचा था उससे ज़्यादा कई difficulty है इसमें. What is that?
This season.
Challenge you faced. Yeah.
This season was on another planet,
Yeah.
and it was so. I think it was the contestants. I think it was all the Splitsville. There were so many of them. And सुनते हैं,
हाँ.
उनकी बात खत्म भी नहीं होती है, and हमको भी बात नहीं करने देते. And we're like, what is happening? At least we just have the one line. Just let us get the one line out, then you guys can continue.
Oh my God. How was your experience? ऐसा कुछ लगा कि कहीं टीचर वाली वाइब आ रही है? इनको चुप कराना बहुत मुश्किल है.
हाँ मतलब they were very एक तो वो बच्चे हैं ठीक है ना. So एक तो I've come back to MTV after almost 6 years, right? 6 या 7 years. तो मतलब वो ऐसे पहले I was very nervous, ठीक है कि यार मतलब एक टाइम था वो किया है, अभी वापस आ रहे हैं. तो that's true with Splitsvilla, you know, and the legacy of that show and everything. ऊपर से 32 contestants, 2 villas.
I thought you were gonna say
ठीक है.
Buttermeat.
वो भी yeah. So you know there's always a thin line between, क्योंकि हम बहुत मतलब उनको we will let them also because you know, but एक टाइम के बाद फिर मतलब you know and Sunny is the most calm. वो सबसे ज़्यादा calm रहती है. But yeah, I think there were for us I think for me, or from all the shows I've done, I think this was the best season that yeah we had. It was difficult, of course. There was a hurricane. I was shooting for Laughter Chef and Splitsvilla,
Oh God, balance.
and बीच में फ्लाइटों का इशू हो गया था.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो वो करते बट मजे आते थे. इस सीजन में बहुत मजे आए. Like the contestants are crazy.
What the wait था, बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ.
Finally. But from both of you, who's the bad cop and good cop? Like playing in the show.
I don't know. You're pretty nice.
I think both we were very much in sync.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो जैसे अभी कभी क्या होता था कि सनी को कम गुस्सा आता है, लेकिन जब आता था तो फिर मैं जल्दी से गुड कॉप बन जाता था. मैंने कहा अगर ये अड़ गई तो ये तुम्हारी सबके बाट लग जाएगी. And when I used to get angry, then you know she was there. Yeah. Pretty much in sync.
I think it comes down to just supporting each other.
Yeah.
Because he has a point and I also have a point.
Yeah.
But usually we're on the same page. And
Correct.
I think when he also helped me express certain things in a way where I wouldn't know how to say that in Hindi.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about like just speaking Hindi.
Yeah.
But जैसे phrases आते that only he could say that I would have that punch so
Correct.
that they'd get it.
Oh, yeah. But Sunny, what was a bad word that you learned? New words that you learned in the show. I have to know it.
I'm not allowed to say those.
Yeah,
out loud.
please.
So give me first initial letter of it and the ending.
I'll just give you the first letters. G M D.
बहुत एक्सप्लिसिट चीजें सिखाई हैं हमने सनी को.
Let's just move on to the
Yeah.
I told you they're
मत करो.
the words are like so bad.
और वो इतने इनोसेंटली बोल देती है ना.
Imagine the cute like, way she was giving that.
No, I didn't say this one. But I would hear, I'd learn, and then later on I would repeat it to myself. Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
say this one. If I need to use it, I will.
Crazy. I have to say it. That particularly that part.
You
But
won't see it. It won't be there.
acha, the beep should be there, no?
Yeah, if it was a beep, it was probably in English.
Yeah.
Which they'll probably keep.
Yeah.
They're like English. English
Yeah,
वाला
चलेगा.
okay. हिंदी वाली गाली को still beep करता.
Okay, that is intense. But प्यार आपको अगर मैं पूछूं पहली बार हाई स्कूल में हो, क्लास में हो, बाद में कॉलेज डेज में हो, सबसे फर्स्ट टाइम कब आपको प्यार हुआ था?
आई थिंक मैंने एक चीज़ डिसाइड कर ली कि मैं पीछे मुड़ के देखता नहीं हूँ. तो अब मैंने एक और चीज़ देखी, पीछे मुड़ के सोचता भी नहीं हूँ. मेरा पहला प्यार यही है.
Wait, they just leave?
Yes.
Of
Yeah.
What a
No.
fly answer.
अरे-
Alright, I'm not in the honeymoon phase.
Yeah. मेरा तो हनीमून फेज खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा.
Really?
Good.
Oh, that's a very huge green flag.
Mine was in high school, and this boy was so cute. He played basketball, and I would watch him play basketball.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, I'd have notes in my locker,
Oh,
and
so
it
cute.
would write notes back and forth to each other. And then my first kiss was with him. And then the worst thing happened in my life that could ever happen.
Oh my god, what happened?
I lied to my parents saying that I have to stay after school, and we were there, and me and this boy were kissing each other, and all of a sudden I hear "Go blue!"
Oh dear.
And I hear "Talk, talk, talk."
Oh
talk.
no.
And I looked, and I was like, "That's my dad! I gotta go!" And then the entire car ride home, silence.
That's some adventure.
That's not an adventure. That's
That's-
like the
trust me,
kissing
yeah.
death
Yeah.
for children is when your parent actually says nothing. Getting yelled at is fine, but silence, another level.
थैंकफुली मैं तो कभी पकड़ा नहीं गया.
कभी नहीं. What a lie.
नहीं हम बहुत शातिर थे ना.
अच्छा, smart.
Smart.
Okay. We have talked about love. I'm going to talk about money. What was your first salary ever? If you are open to disclose the amount.
Oh, mine's easy. It was $3
Yeah.
shoveling snow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine was 750 rupees per week. हाँ मतलब मैं अपने डैड के लिए लेटर्स लिखता था वो. Yeah.
Maybe a lot more than I did. I was maybe like, I don't know,
But what a
9,
joy,
10.
हाँ मतलब $3 ही उतना ही हो गया रुपीस में. Because I used to go and ask my dad कि मुझे पॉकेट मनी चाहिए. So he's like, how much do your friends get? So I used to say 500 rupees मिलता है उनको, you know, हफ्ते का. So he's like, I'll give you 750, but you'll have to work for it. So he used to come back from the factory and वो जो you know, और correspondence and everything, he used to sit and dictate and has to type his letters and then
You
all
must
of
be
that.
so good at typing.
You have to do something to earn. And parents ने ही आपको ऐसी सीख दी and that's a really great thing.
Yeah, वो तब से ही घुसा दिया था उन्होंने मेरे को.
That's a really great thing.
Yeah.
Okay, आपके लिए in this era, in this youth, अगर मैं पूछूं कि what is the biggest red flag in this generation when it comes to love? When you see it, you feel like it's so cringe.
Oh, so many things.
ये तो शुरू हो जाएगा अभी.
Oh yeah, the list is so long, but give me top 2. Give me top 1, चलो.
Let me think. I think that they believe everything should only happen their way. There's no other like viewpoints of how certain things should be, and also this idea of how modern they want to be when it comes to love, with this situationship and this all these different things that they calculate in their minds. But what I noticed because of this show is at the end of the day, a boy wants a girl to like you know, him.
Hmm.
A boy wants the girl to like him, and a girl wants to know that he only has eyes for me. And a boy
Correct.
feels the same way, and that's just basics.
That's just basic.
They just put another label on it. You. So,
Agree.
and I think that because of these labels, they get confused because of their labels.
Yeah, God, and these term situationship and all. I mean, I'm a Gen Z, but I don't agree with these. But
You know, I think a lot of people are really bothered about keeping up appearances. How are we gonna look like on Instagram? How are we appearing as a couple? You know, you didn't do this. You know, we are not looking like them. We should be doing this. We should be. अरे इतना pressure किसको दिखाना है? Like, you know, people. I've realized kids these days, or even I don't know if it's this these days, but a lot of pressure they take of how are we looking, how are we appearing to others. क्या लेना देना है? You know, so बहुत problems आती हैं.
बहुत materialistic चीजों को matter दिया जाता है.
Even if it's not materialistic, कि यार I've posted something, why haven't you you know come and commented this, or why are you not doing what she is doing? अरे वो सब नकली है, वो सब वो फोटोज खींचने के लिए. अगर आप कहीं डिनर पे जा रहे हो और आप आधा टाइम सिर्फ फोटोज खींच के ये देख रहे हो कि आपको आप किसको जेलस करोगे, यू नो, तो आपने डिनर एंजॉय नहीं किया. व्हाट्स द पॉइंट? यू नो, लाइक इफ यू आर गोइंग देयर जस्ट फॉर द ग्राम, that's where this is the biggest red flag.
Exactly, that's the biggest red flag. I agree. Tell me, what is the craziest thing you have ever done in the name of love, or your partner has done to you? And if you talk about किसी कोई महफिल जमी है और आपको flex करना है कि my partner has done this for me, and what's that thing?
I mean, you have a lot of these because I love her and Daniel.
You know, Daniel does so many amazing things all the time, but I always feel like I don't want to ever like talk about them
Yeah.
because I don't want evil eye or nothing
Yeah.
to come our way. And I also feel like some things should just be shared between two people.
Yeah.
And the entire world doesn't need to know about it. I can tell you what he did yesterday that was so sweet.
What do you think?
Oh, let me tell you the funniest story. Okay, so my husband sends me, he's in Texas right now, and he's not home, so typical Daniel, he will send me flowers.
Yeah.
So he sent 2 bouquets of these most beautiful flowers, and I have a new person who's working in my house, and she said, I will just put those flowers in the vase. And I was like, yeah, you're gonna take this vase, you're gonna put the flowers in the vase. She's like, okay, pura din wo pego. And that's okay, that's still fine.
Yeah.
And then I went to bed, I woke up the next day, and my chef and another person were like, where are the flowers? I was like, oh, where are my flowers?
Yeah.
So then we called the girl, and she's come from the back. I was like, flowers gone up here. Her face went, something happened.
Something happened. We
And
know.
then I told her. Then she has this crazy face on, like she's just made the biggest mistake of her life. She goes to the back. She comes out with this vase where she's plucked all the petals off and stuck it inside. And I was like, oh, what did you do? And she's like, मैंने पहले मैम ने बोला कि वो इसको सारे फूल को तोड़ के यहाँ डालना, वो सैंड के लिए blah 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 whatever.
स्टेम्स काटने होंगे, उसने पूरा काट.
Oh shit.
And then I was like, who told you? And then her face is like in shock. So then what can you do? You can't yell at them. She already ruined
Of course.
it. And then, yeah, so then that was sweet thing number 1.
What was
And
your
sweet thing
husband's
number 2, he was sleeping because he was in Texas.
Yeah.
I'll get you more.
I get you, obviously. But you know, I have to tell you, there are so many things that, you know, Daniel has done even while we were shooting, so which, you know, हम inspire होते हैं. But I have to tell you one thing. You know Sunny as this person, right? You have to see her when Daniel is around. She's a 16-year-old smitten with love. Both of them, वो जो chemistry है ना इन दोनों की इतना, and she's like this 16 साल की लड़की जिनका alpha आ गया अब तो भैया, you have to see them together. They are so cute.
Oh
Yeah, proper जिसको बोलते हैं ना relationship. Yeah.
But I want to know what Tejasvi has done for you, and what you have done for Tejasvi, that you मतलब आपने वो cherish किया अपने core of the heart में.
यार पता है क्या, I'm a man of very little simple things, and she's also like that.
Yeah.
You know, so there are so many things that she's done for me, for my life, that are priceless. Be it changing the way so many, changing the way I feel, changing the way I live, changing the way I look at my because as men, as the only child, हम लोग बड़े किए जाते हैं कि ये करना है. The focus is completely different. She's brought in so much calm in my life. She's brought in so much of fun in a way कि यार simple things are much better, you know. So a lot of credit to who I am today after 4 years of being with her. I think goes, उसको पता भी नहीं होगा, पता है. I look at her and I change things about myself कि यार ये देखो ऐसे भी तो रहना चाहिए यार.
That's so sweet,
Yeah.
right? That's what I saw. I was like, oh, this is just too cute.
Yeah. Yeah, so sweet.
Evil eye से please दूर रहें. And also love is something, यही प्यार है. Love is something you see a home, a peace in a person, and I think you've got it.
Yeah.
We're
Okay.
lucky.
Love
Yeah,
it like
touch wood,
that.
touch wood.
Touch wood, yeah. Okay. Before we wrap it up, एक सवाल है. There's so many comparisons. When I was searching Sunny Leone, and there was one thing comment that you are Kareena 2.0 because your expressions, is such a Bebo style. What do you have to say to it?
That's the first time I've heard that, so thank you very much. Whoever put that out there, you are amazing.
Yeah.
I love you. Now I just need films like her. Send them my way.
Yeah.
And who's the best couple of in celebrity in this industry that you look them and you see them and you say to yourself, that is such a
He's right next to me.
You're so sweet.
That's amazing. I swear,
Thank you,
the
Sunny.
first time I saw them together, I was like, yeah, this is good.
Yeah, it's
And
so
then,
sweet.
like, I feel like she just gets treated like such a princess, right? I'm right. And like, it is so cute. And she says something, is always like looking at her. It's like, yes, baby, whatever you want. And there was like one time when my kids.
blushing.
Yeah. There was one challenge that we did, and at the end of it, we all ended up in the pool. But it was Tejasvi who was the leader of pulling everybody in. And
Into
then
the pool.
It was her, then it was him, and then there was us, and then my children.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so sweet.
It's very nice when you meet other people who are, on the same wavelength of like who your partner is. And I
Yeah.
think it makes such a big difference when how you speak, how you view love, how you act, and even giving advice. When you would give advice to some of these contestants and these kids, it's what works, and it's not some altu faltu advice.
That is true. But I want to know from you, who's the best, the celebrity couple you admire the most?
Give me options.
From me, my side, it's Virushka.
हाँ, they're also nice. But as I see, अभी फिर because अभी मैं जिससे बात कर रहा था, I really like how Daniel is there in her life. वो आप बोलते हो ना कि अगर आपकी if your girlfriend is behaving like a child, okay, I'm not calling you a child, that means that you are treating her how a man should. I've learned so much from just the way he's around. Because as I said, कि when Daniel is there, Sunny's like a child, and that you have to understand कि यार ये बनना है मेरे को तेजू के लिए. So that's how I treat. अभी मैं नुपुर और स्टेबिन की शादी से आया हूँ, और अभी वो सारे visuals, they just got married in Udaipur. It was beautiful, and वो अभी वो सब fresh है हमारे mind में, और तेजू ऐसे खड़े हुए थे like, oh wow, cute.
So cute. Okay, now we're gonna do a fun rapid fire, which is called Let's Go Instant with, of course, you guys. Okay, what's the instant thing that's coming in your mind right now? You have to be very quick.
Coffee.
Pasta.
Pasta, okay. On the way it is, I guess. Oh shit.
It's something
Okay.
I'm gonna look at, smell, and then.
Yeah, we'll come to know.
Okay. You get instantly annoyed when someone asks you dash.
क्या आप हिंदी बोलते हो? हाँ मैं हिंदी बोलती हूँ.
Oh, Mehndi, such a cute girl she is. Okay, what about you?
अरे आप आ गए?
Of course, नहीं हम जा रहे हैं. That is the I have to agree. It's happened with me also. Okay, instant actor that comes in your mind when I say what a voice.
Scarlett Johansson.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा.
What a dancer.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Priyanka.
I thought you were giving a compliment.
So that would be the first person that popped in my head.
Okay, that's true. Honest. What about you? What a dancer.
What a dancer.
Yeah, she said Priyanka because
Yeah, you were like, yeah.
माधुरी जी.
हाँ, Madhuri.
क्योंकि कल ही मैं उनके बारे में बात कर रहा था.
Really?
Grace,
Yeah.
that elegance.
Epic she is. Such a beautiful, celeb couple we talk about it. How funny this person is.
राखी.
Yes.
Next level.
20 कदम पीछे.
I don't understand how she doesn't have her own show and like the entire world is not tuned into it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, instant red flag when someone does dash.
Hmm?
Instant red flag. Oh, this is not coming up.
Instant red. हाँ.
Or something that happened with you recently and you were like turned off or got really upset.
Generally.
Generally, no, generally.
Oh, अरे. बहुत कुछ यार हमारे साथ तो बहुत होता है.
Okay, I can tell you something. We're in Mumbai for everybody, so you guys know. We were at Musa, the museum,
Yeah.
and we were watching this video about how we need to clean up our oceans and everything. And I'm thinking in my head, the only way this is going to change is if higher up people start enforcing these rules and regulations about
Yeah.
cleanliness and proper sanitization programs where we can like have garbage picked up and then put somewhere else. So that was I was thinking in my head, I was like, why can't this happen?
That's true. And I have to ask this, in Mumbai, especially बहुत लोगों की एक favorite spot होती है. Wherever you find chill, where you wanna have that
No,
your
you didn't
personal
answer.
spot.
What's a cringe? I want to know it.
Yeah.
What?
This is more funny.
I think. Yeah.
What?
What's the red flag that I asked before?
यार
Cringe thing that.
cringe तो नहीं कह सकते, but there are a lot of people in our industry who have this very main character energy, जो कि अच्छी होती है, but you know इतना भी नहीं होना चाहिए अब कि सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड तो सभी हैं. ठीक है, बट वो जो मेन कैरेक्टर एनर्जी होती है ना कि यार मैं ही हूँ, मतलब कि या यू नो, एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर विद पीपल who are not as you know nice people or decent people, then it becomes a little कि भाई मतलब अगर मैंने सुनाना शुरू कर दिया तो मतलब या कंपेयर करना शुरू कर दिया तो धज्जियाँ उड़ जाएंगी तुम मतलब. So yeah, I feel, and even with like you gotta have a little थोड़ा बस करो
थोड़ा बस
main
करो,
character,
हाँ,
सबको पता है.
Even I feel. Okay, lastly, before.
Can you just name that person? No, I'm just kidding.
No, I can be. I mean,
Yeah, then what is?
no, me and Sunny have a lot of these conversations. हम ये mark करते हैं. Then we are going to talk about this later.
Okay. Is that person really famous on social media?
I'm sure. I mean, he is not just one person. I'm talking about a lot of people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in Mumbai, everybody has their favorite spot. With friends, अचानक से एक plan बना, चलो यहाँ जाते हैं. I have a spot. What's your spot in Mumbai that you would go like anytime?
For me, there's this Suraj Lama Momo. I don't know if you know. Versova में है. ठीक है. It is very small this thing place, and we मतलब हम ऐसे ना क्रेव करते, जब से मैं बैंड्रा शिफ्ट हुआ ना तो वो हो नहीं पा रहा, नहीं तो मैं रोज जाता था वहाँ पर. And it's a place where you get a lot of different things. So you just go park your car and then you just keep telling people यहाँ से ये ले यहाँ से ले. So ऐसे आँखों में से आंसू आने शुरू हो जाते हैं, वो इतना यमी होता है वो.
Wow.
Yeah.
I have to try it now. Okay.
You have to.
I have to. And what's the best place you have ever went on a date in Mumbai? Which is the best place? Okay.
Let me think.
When was the last time you went on a date?
I just went. I
अभी
just
तो-
went on a date,
Yeah.
Okay.
but
मैं बता रहा हूँ they're very romantic.
बता ही दो फिर.
मैं क्यों बताऊँ?
Okay.
I don't know. I think it's just any time. Oh, I know. We went to this. Our last date was at a longevity spa.
Oh,
Oh.
that's a
And-
great date.
And that was our treat to ourselves after our crazy schedule.
Yeah, that's a great date.
Peaceful date it is. Well, but firstly and lastly, congratulations for Splitsvilla 16, MTV Splitsvilla 16, प्यार या पैसा. Looking forward to it. प्यार भी है और पैसा भी है और कौन किसको टक्कर देता है और आप दोनों की कैसे
I don't think it's takkar. I think it's lat.
It's like exploding.
It is literally Lath.
Yeah.
Okay, but I have to say it and looking forward to it, guys. Congratulations
Thank
and
you.
thanks a lot for joining Instant Bollywood.
Hi, this is Karan Kundra, and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.
Hi, I'm Sunny Leone, and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.